Solving equations is a fundamental algebra skill you're going to need all over the place in math. First thing to keep in mind is that algebraic equations have unknown variables in them, and that's what we're looking for. Something like x, y, a, or whatever other letter, and that's what we're trying to solve to find. So we have our equal sign, and that means whatever total quantity we have on the left-hand side has got to equal whatever total quantity we have on the right. So if we're going to manipulate this equation in order to solve it, we're going to have to ensure we aren't changing the quantity on either side and making that equal sign not true anymore. So we must do the same thing to both sides. Beyond that, it's up to you what order you do things in, but to keep it as simple as possible, I like to try to get all the x's and positive and on one side, and then all the numbers on the other. So we do this by applying inverse operations, basically whatever the opposite the term or instruction is saying. So here we've got 15 multiplied by x and then plus 12. So I want to take 12 away from this equation first of all to get the numbers on one side and the x's on the other. That's going to leave me with 15x is equal to 60, and then I can just divide by 15 on both sides, and that's going to leave me with x equals 4.